I'm Eric from Suprema, and this is BioStar Air. Our new cloud-based solution gives you complete control over access without the complexity. BioStar Air supports the industry's widest range of credentials: mobile, RFID, QR, and now, for the first time, Suprema's world-leading biometric credentials in the cloud. This gives you incredible reliability, easy configuration, and the ability to use credentials seamlessly across your branches. BioStar Air is fully cloud-based, with no local servers to manage or update. Readers connect directly to our managed cloud, giving you control from anywhere on your browser or even your phone. Get real-time insights for one location or 1,000 from a single dashboard. Onboard users, grant access, open doors, all remotely. And with cloud-connected cameras, you can monitor events and investigate incidents. Security and privacy are non-negotiable. BioStar Air is backed by industry-leading certifications and encryption. BioStar Air officially launches at ISC West 2025. Come check it out at the Suprema booth. I'd be happy to show it to you in person. You are